Okay, my beautiful friends, you and me, yeah, we have to talk. We're gonna laugh together. We're not gonna cry together. We're gonna laugh together. Seriously, I have a lot of stuff to talk about here. I'll try not to laugh here. So yeah, this is my post-market wrap-up on this record-setting day. It was another record high for the Nasdaq, despite Apple, and we're gonna talk more about that too. February 18th, 2020. All right, so what happened? Well, stocks finished mixed. Record high for the Nasdaq. S&P 500 fractional loss. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 165 points. However, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down more than 280 at one point. Hashtag Woodrow. People, I'm not joking about this. Hashtag Woodrow. I'm going to write this down, and I want you to look it up. All right, let me get a little piece of lovely paper here. All right, get ready for this. Hashtag Woodrow. Hashtag Woodrow. All right. Hashtag Woodrow is a real thing. Okay. Hashtag Woodrow was in effect today, and that's what pushed the Nasdaq to a new record high and prevented the stock market from selling off hundreds of points. It will not be allowed to happen. Now, let me explain this one to you. The Federal Reserve was involved in not one, not two, but three repo actions today. A total of 88 billion was pumped into this market, and they're buying the entire yield curve. This morning, in the video I did this morning, I explained to you what I expected to see. I said I expected to see a lot of bond buying. Well, that's exactly what happened. The U.S. 10-year yield dropped. When bonds get bought up, the yields drop. 10-year yield 1.55, the entire curve flattening out and dropping. How long have I been saying this? Since when? Exactly, time immemorial. This creates an environment of risk. Cash goes into the stock market. Silver put on 2.48%. Gold 1.38%. Bitcoin well over 10,000 again and going higher. People, let me explain this to you again. Do you think we have a real market? Do you think any of this is real? When you have, again, a central bank pumping cash into this market like there is no tomorrow, 88 billion today alone, and buying the entire yield curve. You got Mnuchin on the phone with Wall Street banks. Hashtag Woodrow. It's a real thing. Look it up. Okay. Do you really think that killer viruses are going to end the world and the market is going down? Look, I'm going to read something to you in a minute, but give me a few more seconds to get my my bearings. Look, what do you hear? Nothing. Why do you hear nothing? Well, you remember phase 2 of the U.S.-China deal? Well, that kind of just disappeared. Phase 1 was a con job of the highest order. But again, look here, don't look here. Okay, I want you to keep this in mind. They do this to you over and over again. This was the biggest thing. Do you remember how historic it was? So historic that Xi didn't even show up to sign a deal. Yeah, it's a play on you. It's a play on your mind. Now, I'm going to show you another play on your mind. Let me open this up. Pay attention to this, okay? It's very important. Listen. In the year 2000, Y2K was going to kill us all. In the year 2001, it was anthrax. 2002, it was West Nile. 2003, it was SARS. In 2005, it was the bird flu. In 2006, it was E. coli. In 2009, it was the swine flu. In 2012, it was the Mayan calendar. And then in 2014, it was Ebola. In 2016, we can't forget about the Zika virus. And in 2018, it was the migrant caravans. And in 2019, it was the measles. And today, it's this freaking coronavirus. What bullshit. You're still buying this. You're still buying the mainstream propaganda nonsense. I'm not saying the virus is not real, but it is being overhyped as a distraction and to deflect your mind to pay attention to certain things and not others. Let's go on. Let's go on about that. How about this scam that John freaking Dillinger would be proud of? The grand theft now being forced upon anyone with an interest-earning account here in America by suppressed rates, and you have got the president again calling for negative rates, would make freaking John Dillinger proud. It's a 100% rigged criminal market. You understand? But no. You focus on the virus. Well, me and my lions ripped the face off of this market. Do you know how much money I made today? I'm not even gonna go there in this fake market. It's just too stupid. It's like taking candy from a baby here. It's just too stupid. Now let's talk about something else that's too stupid. The government, of the people, by the people, for the people. Well, did you know that your funds are now going to a French company? I can't even say, a French pharmaceutical company. Let's see if I can get the name right here. And I want you to look this up for yourself. I can't speak French, but Sanofi Pasteur. Okay, well, Sanofi Pasteur is a French pharmaceutical company, let me close this, specializing in vaccines. Oh yeah, so you see, they're partnering with the U.S. government, so you are footing the bill for a vaccine. Are you going to line up to get the vaccine? I bet you are. It's unfreaking believable, people. It's too stupid. Yeah, here we go again. Coronavirus live update. Sanofi working on a vaccine with the U.S. Health Agency. Oh yeah, sounds great to me. Incredible. The U.S. government working with a French company to develop a vaccine for coronavirus. Yes, and the American people are paying for it again. Tell me again why we subsidize Big Pharma. It's unfreaking believable. Unbelievable what they're doing to us. And I'll tell you something else. This is me. This coronavirus is going to suck funding directly out of your pocket into the pharmaceutical giants who are loving this coronavirus. It's too much. I already spoke about the phase 2 deal that you didn't hear anything about. Now, how about this one? How about this one, people? This should make you want to puke. It makes me want to puke. There is something very wrong. This is me. Again, credit card debt here in America hits a new record high, nearly $1 trillion. You want to talk about a credit hyper bubble? People, stop. Look, I could go on and on with this. This is all dog shit. Every freaking bit of it is dog shit. You are being lied to. You are being misled on a grand scale by not just the mainstream media, by these fake paid shield YouTube channels. I don't give a damn who they think they are, whatever letters they might have after their name. All they're doing is selling fear. And you want to buy it? You're in the wrong spot, okay? Like I said, this channel is for freaking winners and lions. Please go away if you're afraid, because that means you're following this fake nonsense being shoved down your throat. Look here, don't look here. Go ahead, you do that. You keep looking over here, staying afraid, just like you're supposed to. I can't believe what's happening to the people in this country and around the world. Now, I guess I can. The dumbing down is complete. People can't walk and chew gum at the same time, and this is why they weep when they get taken advantage of by the Wall Street banks. Hashtag Woodrow. That what's going on with the Federal Reserve. Oh, focus on the virus. Don't give a damn as to the debt load that is being put on the back of our country, your back, the backs of your children, and their unborn children. No. Don't pay attention to that. Focus on the virus like you did with Y2K and Ebola and swine flu and all the other shit I just read about. You're really falling for it again? Honestly? I just can't take it. I really can't. But good. For those of you that are going to fall for it, people like me are going to eat your lunch for you like you have no idea. And that's what it's designed to do. And you keep funding those French companies that are making vaccines. Oh, yeah. Oh, aren't you happy about that? Oh, you're not supposed to know. Oh, no. Don't share this video. Because then you see, people will understand what's really going on here. The distractions, the deflections. Don't look here. Look over here instead. Forget about what's going on in the debt market. None of it matters. No. Focus on the virus and stay afraid. You're all a bunch of chicken shits. That's all I have to say. For those of you that are afraid, wow. All right, look, I'm out of here, and I'll see you in the morning.